Today I want to show you how to make some candles at home. So first you take some wax. Okay. And now you take some candle wick and some other stuff, like a temperature thing. And now you take some scissors and tape. Okay, so you need a bowl and a pen, a thing that you want to. Okay, then you put that aside and you take some container for the candles. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Okay, so you take the container and the stuff that you need. You take a thing to take how much you want, and you put it in the container. And you need to take 3 spoons. Okay, you put. So if for every container you have to take 2 wax, like 2 cup of wax, and because I measured it and it's 2. Okay, so you put it in the bowl and another one if you want to, and you take some hot water. Okay, so you put it on the stove with the bowl and the wax in it. Okay, then you let that sit for like 10 or 5 minutes. It will maybe melt if you put it too much. Some flames will come out a little bit because you need to put it. So the best temperature is 60 to 80 degree. Okay, then you, if you want to or if you like, you can put some scented things on it, so that it will smell like whatever you want. Okay, so you stir that up. And you take those 2 containers or more, and you have to put those little wax thing that you wanted to, light up. And you take a sticker and you put it on the middle. Like that, and you can do as much as you want. Okay, so I want to put more, but I'll just show you guys 2 right now because it would take too much. Now you take the wax, the thing you melt it, and you put it in each container. Like that, and you let that sit for a day and a half. And me, I just wanted to put all of them. Okay, yeah, this is how they look inside. Okay, so they were like this. So now they were too long, so I had to cut those string, like all of them. Okay, yeah, but the final result is so good. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Bye!